everyone, this is Alicia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the Harry Potter and Ulta Beauty Hufflepuff Cosmetic Kit review. The kit retails for $28 and is available on the Ulta Beauty website as well as in Ulta stores. The kit features 4 items, which includes a 6-pan eyeshadow palette, a tinted lip balm, highlighter beads, and a metallic gel liner that are extremely travel friendly because of their size. I also wanted to show you a size comparison compared to a standard size Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. So if you would like to see a review of everything this kit has to offer, just keep on watching. I'm going to swatch all the items in this kit, starting with the eyeshadow palette, then the lip balm, then the eyeliner, and then last, the highlighter beads. For the eyeshadow palette, I'm using my e.l.f. contour brush to do the swatches, and I did not apply a base or a primer beforehand. I'm starting with the first row going left to right. Quill is a pale yellow matte. Butterbear is a mustard yellow matte. Winged Key is a champagne gold metallic. Mandrake is a muted brown matte. Wand is a bronze shimmer. And Chocolate Frog is a muted cool tone chocolate matte. The tinted lip balm is a beautiful peachy nude. The eyeliner is a true yellow gold metallic. I'm using my BH No. 5 pointed highlighter brush, and the highlighter is a subtle gold. Now I'm just going to give you my thoughts on everything in the kit. I absolutely love the quality and the pigmentation of the shades in the eyeshadow palette. All of them applied beautifully and had slight fallout. Quill is such a gorgeous shade, but I almost panned it because of how soft it's pressed. It's like the Anastasia Beverly Hills subculture debacle that Alyssa Ashley faced. The lip balm is my shade of nude, so I'm in love with that. The eyeliner is such a gorgeous opaque and creamy gold, and it has minimal transfer. The highlighter has such a gorgeous subtle glow, and I just want to bathe in it. I do wish that the other items aside from the palette had the house logo on it so that you know which set it comes from. Aside from that first shade being Fallout City, I'm completely in love with this kit, and it is completely well worth the money. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notifications, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.